Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to see how to join Telegram private channel without invite link. For that, first of all, go to your Telegram and there you will see the notebook icon which is on the top right corner of your screen. Select that and select new group. Then create a new group. Simply create next. Then write group name. For now, I'm just writing random and then select create. Then what you need to do is simply go to the profile of the group and click on add members. Then there you will see invite to a group via link. Click on that. Simply copy the link, go to any browser and paste it and simply remove the other option. Then there you will see other option like shark. If you go here, this is also one of the private channel. From here you can simply join. In this way, here you can see at last join button. In this way you can join any private channel without invite link. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.